This single mom found a way to make $1,500 a month teaching English online without a degree. Here's how she did it. That's right. Meet Sarah. She's a single mom who went from working to exhausting jobs to making serious cash all from her laptop. How? She discovered online tutoring, and let me tell you, her story is absolutely wild. So here's the deal. Sarah was juggling to jobs or retail gig during the day and waitressing at night, barely scraping by. One night, while scrolling Reddit as we all do, she stumbled across a post in r working line about people earning money tutoring English. Now, Sarah didn't have a teaching degree, but she thought, hey, I've always been good at English. I've helped friends before, and I know I can connect with people. Why not give it a shot? Here's where it gets interesting. Sarah jumped on platforms like Cambly and Reply, where you don't even need a teaching degree to get started. All she had to do was set up a profile, record a quick intro video, and boom, she was live. Within a week, she got her first student, a college freshman from South Korea who wanted help with conversational English. Before their first session, Sarah prepared by researching common conversational topics and creating a list of engaging questions to keep the session lively and useful. And guess what? She charged $10 an hour at first, just to see how it worked. But after crushing it with her first few students, she boosted her rate to $15 an hour. The best part, she started getting more students from all over the world: Japan, Spain, Brazil, you name it. Within a month, she was tutoring enough to make $1,500 a month on the side. But wait, it gets better. Sarah wasn't just good, she was smart. She realized she could stand out by offering specialized lessons. For example, in her business English classes, she focused on email etiquette and professional vocabulary, while her travel English lessons emphasized phrases for navigating airports and ordering at restaurants. By tailoring her lessons this way, she became the go-to tutor for these topics. By niching down, she became the go-to tutor for these topics, and just like that, her calendar filled up. She took it to the next level. Now, here's where Sarah's story really takes off. She started promoting her lessons on Instagram by posting quick English tips. You know those bite-sized reels that get you hooked? Yeah, those, and it worked. New students started DMing her directly, booking lessons without the platform fees, which meant she could pocket even more. The challenges, oh, she had them. Look, it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. In the beginning, Sarah was burning the candle at both ends, tutoring, working to jobs, and being a mom. But as her tutoring income grew, she finally quit her retail job. This decision was a game changer. She finally had more time to spend with her kids, help them with homework, and even enjoy family dinners again. The flexibility of tutoring allowed her to focus on her family while still earning a stable income. With more time and less stress, she doubled down on her lessons and started earning $3,000 a month. Crazy, right? Why this matters to you? Sarah's story proves that you don't need fancy qualifications or expensive gear to start making money online. All you need is a skill people want, a little creativity, and the guts to take that first step. So, what's stopping you? Start today, and who knows? Maybe you'll be the next person we're talking about here.